So what's up, guys? You want to learn how to reply comments with a video just like this. The comments will be appearing at the top. That's what I'll be showing you how to do in this video. So now let's get started. So first of all you need to do is to go to the video that has the comments. Then if this is the video, you go to the comment section. Then let's say for instance you want to reply the first comment. All you have to do is to tap on reply. Then once you've tapped on reply, instead of typing, you see the video icon that appears before the space that you have to type your text. So that's the camera icon that's in the red circle. So you just have to tap on the camera icon. Then you see the text is now, as you can see, the text is now displaying just at the top there. The text now displaying. Then you set, let me say, 15 seconds video. Then you start recording, and as you can see, the text is displayed at the top. Once you click, the video stops. Then just like that, you see it's appearing in the video. Then you can also adjust it to any position you want on your video. So that's it.